If you need a lightweight Linux environment, you can try installing WSL in the OSEASY virtual machine. Start by opening the control panel. Enable Windows functionality in the program. Check this item. Click OK and wait for the installation. Reboot after installation is complete and wait for updates. Restart again. Open PowerShell. First, set the WSL version to 1. The default installed version is 2, and the virtual machine is not supported yet. After seeing Enron, I started to download and install the Windows subsystem. Then use the command to install Linux. Here the default is Ubuntu. Once installed, set a Linux username and password. Check the subsystem version. Now you can use WSL commands to go directly to Ubuntu shell. You can also launch it from the Start menu. Note that WSL and Windows share the same network and do not support Docker.